Hello, I'm Amy and today I'm going to show you how to construct our double aspect concept cards. So within the set you will get the two elements that you'll need. Firstly, this sheet here, which has got your two images on and the box that the image will sit inside. You also get a card blank which is already pre-scored, so you can fold that in half and that is ready to go. What you'll need to do first of all is to take your trimmer and trim off the images. So you will see that along here is a dotted line, so you just need to line that up and just cut just within inside that line so that you take that away, and then do the same again on the other side like so. And then you can keep this to one side and we'll make the box up after we've done the image. So you are left with this image. You don't need to trim anything off the sides. So then you'll need to take your scoreboard, and what I like to do is to choose a line. So I'm going to take the 6-inch line, and then just along each of the lines where the image changes is to just score along that line, and then just move the image up and score again along that line. If it's a bit difficult at the top to see the image change, it may be that there's the same colour, then just use the line at the bottom as well, just to double check that. But it's really important to make sure you score as close to that line as you possibly can where the image changes. So you just need to score along each one, and then this is going to give you that finished effect of the two images. So we score again, keep making sure that you're scoring on that line like so. And with this one we're going to have the image of the football and the games controller. So depending on how you look at the card, those are the two images that you're going to see. So the final two, just lining them up, score along there, and then the last one, just score along there. So you can see already you getting that fold in there. Then what you need to do is start to concertina fold it. So this end one here goes inwards like so. So you've done that one, and then just fold it back and forwards and back and forwards. And because you've already scored it, this is going to be really easy to do. So just keep folding along there, and you'll see it becomes quite springy when you're doing this. So just keep folding till you get to the end. So this last one here should fold inwards, so when you look at it you can't see the image on those sides. And then just if you just squeeze it together, and then you'll see how you've got that concertina effect. So then what we're going to do to make sure you've got those really crisp lines, just going to use your tool just to go over each of those score lines and just really burnish it so you get the nice crisp edges, and that will help with the final card so that you can see all the images. So we've done it on the back, and then we just need to go and do these ones on the front here. And again, just burnish all the way along using your tool so you get to the end, the last one. And then again, you'll see how it just starts to fold up like so. So if you put that to one side, then we need to create the box that it's going to sit in. So the box is pre-die cut, so all you need to do is just pop that out of the sheet, and you'll see the gold foiling is already on the box for you. So these score lines are already been put on there, so we're just going to go round and fold in each of those. And then again, just take your scoreboard tool and just burnish along those edges there. Again, just to get that crisp finish. Then what I'm going to do is take my red liner tape, your high-tack tape, and we're just going to place it on these tabs on the corners of the box. So just cut a small part of tape and just add them just to the tabs that are on here. So you need to work your way round and do all 4 corners of the box. So using the red liner tape, the high-tack tape, is really going to help this box stay together and become stable. So then we'll take the backing off that one, and then what you'll need to do is just bend that inwards and then just lift it up and then just join the 2 at the corner, ensuring you get that right angle there, and then just secure it inside the box. And then we're going to go around and do the same on the other side. So fold in that tab and then lift it up and just hold it and press it together to get those corners done. Fold it in, bend it round, and then the last one, press it in, and then you can just push the sides of the box in lightly, and there you've got your box that your image is going to sit within. So if you turn the image over, you need to apply tape just to the 2 end panels. So we're going to add tape along that one there, and then just turn it round and add tape to that side there. And then if you take your box, we're going to lift the backing off this one first of all, and then what you'll need to do is just place your image inside the box. If you just then push that image right up to the end of the box and then just lift that panel up, and then that end panel of the image just attaches to this side of the box, so you can no longer see the inside of that that edge there, as you can see. And then we'll do the same on the other side. So again, take the backing off, and then what we'll do, just hold that side down, push it down as far as you can down to the end of the box, and then just lift it up and attach it. And there is your image now within your box. You've got the football and the games controller. So now all we need to do is add that to our card front. So again, we'll add some red liner tape to the back of our card, just so that it is secure on there. And because the dimension of these cards, they will go into a box envelope because of the depth of the card. So we'll just take those off, and then we're just going to attach that to the front of the card blank, and then we can fold it over. And then we're going to take one of our sentiments, so we'll take this one, we'll just trim around just to get those small pips off, and then we'll take one of our foam pads, just add that to the back, and then you can stick the sentiment on there. And there you can see we've got that gorgeous concept card in the box. So if you look at it that way, you've got that one image of the football, and then you turn it round, you've got that games console, and you've got the depth of the box there as well. So that is how you make the double aspect concept card.